just ain't the same for gangsters. Times is changing, young niggas is aging, becoming OGs in the game and changing to make way for these new names and faces. But the strangest things can happen.
Ça c'est pendu, joli, je l'ai en direct.
Niggas get wrapped up and
aussi,
image
d'ailleurs.
acting. Niggas get capped up and wrapped in plastic, zipped up in bags when it happens. That's it. I've seen them come, I've watched them go, watched them rise, witnessed it and watched them blow, watched them all blossom and watched them grow, watched the lawsuits when they lost the dough. Best friends and money, I lost them both. Went and visited niggas in the hospital. It's all the same shit all across the globe. I just sit back and watch the show. Everywhere that I go, ain't the same as before.
Je vais mettre les moteurs ou quoi?
Just don't know me no more. But everywhere that I go, I got people I know. You got people they know. So I suggest you lay low. I moved out of the hood for good, you blame me. Niggas aim mainly at niggas they can't be. But niggas can't hit niggas they can't see. I'm out of sight, now I'm out of they dang reach. How would you feel if niggas wanted you killed? You probably move to a new house on a new hill and choose a new spot if niggas wanted you shot. I ain't a thug, how much Tupac in you got? I ain't no bitch neither. It's either my life or your life, and I ain't leaving, like breathing. This nigga, we can go round for round, clip for clip, shit, 4 pound for pound. Nigga, if you really wanna take it there, we can. Just remember that you fucking with family, man. Got a lot more to lose than you. Remember that when you wanna come and fill these shoes.
C'est bien merveilleux. C'est bon, là, ça pompe, regarde. Karang. Allez, retire un peu les trucs. Je vais faire de la place. Hop. Hop.
Just remember that you fucking with a family, man. Got a lot more to lose than you. Remember that when you wanna come and fill these shoes. Everywhere that I go, ain't the same as before. People I used to know, just don't know me no more. Everywhere that I go, I got people I know. You got people they know, so I suggest you lay low. Things just ain't the same for gangsters. Cops just ain't shit to put niggas in handcuffs. They wanna hang us, see us dead or enslave us. Keep us trapped in the same place we raised in. Then they wonder why we act so outrageous. Run around stretched out and pull out gauges. 'Cause every time you lift the animal out cages, it's dangerous to people who look like strangers. And now we got a new era of gangsters, hustlers and youngsters living amongst us. Looking at us now, calling us busters. Can't help but reminisce back when it was us. Nigga, we started this gangsta shit. And it's the motherfucking thanks I get. It's funny how time flies. I'm just having fun, just watching it fly by. Everywhere that I go, ain't the same as before. People I used to know, just don't know me no more. But everywhere that I go, I got people I know. You got people they know, so I suggest you lay low.
C'est reparti ou quoi? Wouhou!
Papa!
Allez!
Bing, bing, bing!
Ça a l'air joli ça, hein?
Ah, c'est beau.
Ouais.
Ah, il met des coups de tête, hein. Putain, c'est un charqui à tous les coups. Hein.
Mais non, allez, en positif, là, c'est une
non,
40 ça. Allez!
allez.
Allez! C'est une 40 ça.
this shit up. DPGC, my nigga, turn that shit up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Thug niggas, drug dealers, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for sure. Slip my hoe a 44 when she got in the back door. Bitches looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this motherfucker just to swing in my hair. Bitch, quit talking, quit walk if you're down with the sick. Take a bullet with some dick and take this dope on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if your ass get cracked, bitch, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the ass, you'll be relieving your stress.
It's the motherfucking DRE. Dr. Dre, motherfucker. You know I'm mobbing with the D-O-double-G. Straight off the fucking streets of CBT. King up the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. Look, the van rolling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop-de-whoop, nigga, what? Dre and Snoop Chronic down in the lag. With Doc in the back, sipping on yak. Clipping the strap, dipping through hood. Compton, Long Beach, Inglewood. South Central out to the west side. This California love, this California bug. Got a nigga gang of pub. I'm on one, I might bell up in the Century Club. With my jeans on, and my team strong. Get my drink on, and my smoke on. Then go home with something to poke on. Locust song for the 2 triple O. Coming real, it's the next episode.
Hold up, hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, hey, for my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey, smoke weed every day.